Alright, so I think it's about time I actually show you my bike, because I've been like riding it every now and then, but I haven't actually like shown it to you. So it's about time for that. This is the helmet I normally use. Scuffed up, but yeah, pretty good. And then I used to have a GoPro that broke in a crash for a second. I stuck with like jumps and stuff. And left it smaller, but I sent it off like it was made for a dirt bike, and so I wasn't supposed to even be jumping it, but I did it anyway. This is the bike. So, the kickstand. I can't tell if it's a good or bad thing, but there's none. Yoink. I bought it off a friend a while ago, but yeah, this is probably gonna be a very bad video. But it's over a minute, so hopefully people will watch more of it and it'll get monetized. Yeah, this is it. Broken dropper. Doesn't do anything at all other than sit there and look like it does something. 8-speed. That's nice. Suspension's fried. See if I can. Oh, hey, it's actually in a good mood today. Normally it doesn't work, but every now and then it does. It's really weird. It's really annoying. Got a little spot from the water bottles. That was embarrassing. It's much better, but yeah. Very spiky pedals, they suck to get hit with. Can't remember how big my tires are. Those I will tell y'all. And my brakes don't work fully pulled down. That's not good. That's not good at all. And the front's much better. I could actually slow it down. It's still pretty bad. Alright, I gotta end this before I can't post it. But yeah. Bike.